Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your computer is running low on resources error on your Windows 10 computer. So if you're attempting to sign into your computer and you're unable to, and it says that your computer is running low on resources so no new users can sign in, please use an account that has already been signed in. I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve without too much of a hassle here. So we're going to go ahead and start by clicking on the power button in the bottom right corner of the login screen, where if you hover over it, it says power, left click on it, and then select the restart button. And hopefully at this point you'd be able to sign in once you have restarted your computer. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.